মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল, মই তোমালোকক আজি তোমালোকৰ ক্লাছ 4ৰ উই অল বিলং এইখিনি পঢ়িবৰ কাৰণে চেষ্টা কৰিছোঁ। গতিকে তোমালোকে মোৰ লগতে পঢ়ি শিকিবা। গতিকে ব'লাচোন আমি আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। উই অল বিলং, বিউটিফুল ক্লাছৰুমছ, কালাৰ্ছ ব্লেণ্ড, some say namaste, others hello friend. Though we come from far and near, our happy hearts sing loud and clear. If one child draws, another may dance. If one tells a tale, the next takes a chance. We are not the same, but that's our song. In different ways we all belong. We learn to care, we learn to share. Ladus and pithas are always there. We love new cultures from near and far. Each one of us is a shining star. Different tongues, but one big cheer. Friendship grows when hearts are near. Together strong, we all agree. Our joy is found in diversity. পিছত আমি এই অৰ্থখিনিহঁত পঢ়িছোঁ। Let's learn what the following words mean in the poem. আমাক কবিতাটোত থকা এই শব্দকেইটাই কি অৰ্থ বুজাইছে এইখিনি পঢ়িব দিছে। Blend, to be together despite differences. Tell, a story created using imagination. Belong, to be a part of something. Diversity, a range of many people or things that are very different from each other. Thank you.